Okay, so welcome back. So now we're going to talk about multiplying numbers that are in scientific notation. So again, think about it this way. Scientific notation is just a product of two factors, right? So if we take two numbers that are written in scientific notation, we're really multiplying two products together. So again, remember the commutative law for multiplication, right? So we can move things around with multiplication. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to bring the two factors, the two first factors together. We're going to rearrange those so that we multiply the first two factors. And then we're going to rearrange and make sure we multiply the two power of 10 factors together. And then rewrite the result in scientific notation. So that's exactly what I wrote. Now this is different than what you may read in the textbook, but this again, I think, is succinct and tells you exactly what to do. So when you're multiplying two numbers that are in scientific notation, you're going to multiply the first factors together, both of the first factors, and you're going to use the regular rules. Make sure you use the rules for multiplying signed numbers that we've talked about in previous videos. Okay, so don't forget that. 2, then multiply the power of 10 factors together and make sure you understand the rules of exponents. Okay, so remember, okay, when you multiply exponentials, right, that have the same base, in this case the base is 10, you add or subtract the exponents. Okay, so if they're opposite signs, you would subtract. But again, you add the exponents and you pay attention to, again, the rules of signs for the exponents. Okay, adding signed numbers. Okay, so that's it. So that's it for steps 1 and 2. Now step 3 is then after you do this, you have to look at the result of your first factor. And you got to make sure that that first factor is a number between 1, at least 1, but less than 10. If it's not, then you have to adjust it accordingly and then also adjust the exponent on your power of 10 factor accordingly. Okay, so that's it. That's all you have to do. And then that's it. So let's do some examples and we'll go from there. See you then.